As commercial spaces open up, property managers should be able to rely on the professional cleaner. They will need to know the hygiene considerations in office and retail spaces and how they are configured inside to accommodate returning staff and customers. There should be a schedule for cleaning high-traffic touchpoints, whether along walls or carpeting. The buildings that have been shut for a long time, a deep clean followed by a regular cleaning regime should be maintained so that buildings remain safe for staff. A peaks and trough approach is not desirable. Furthermore, budgets are less stretched when there is a floor care plan, and there are no damage limitation exercises needed to remedy excessively compromised carpeting. Most of all, property managers should receive support on good hygiene habits to observe and share with the building occupants while managing COVID risk. Managing the cleanliness of a commercial space need not be problematic, because with the right support, clients will be led by expertise and not relying on a wing and a prayer.